Welcome, everybody! How can you instantly move a lead into your client database without manual updates or mistakes? Today, we'll be exploring the Convert Instance action in Origami workflows. As you can see, this feature allows us to automatically create a new client record as soon as a lead's status changes, making the process seamless and effortless. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up a workflow that converts a lead to a client and links their information across both pages. So without further ado, let's dive in. We already have our leads page set up, so now we're going to create a new entity called Clients. To do that, simply click the plus button, give the page a name, let's call it Clients, and set the page type to Entity Page. Then click Add New Page to create it. Next, we'll create our first field group within the Clients page. Let's name it Client Details, similar to the Lead Details field group we've used on the Leads page. For this video, we'll add a few basic fields: first name, last name, email, and phone number. Don't forget to click Add New Field Group and make sure the Views option is enabled. As you can see, our new Clients page is currently empty. So next, let's see how we can relate the Clients page with the Leads page to start transferring data automatically. To connect the two entities, we need to create a relation field in both the Leads and Clients entities. First, let's go back to our Leads page. Under Settings, then Fields, we'll edit the Lead Details field group. Here, we'll add a new instance relation field and name it Relation to Client. For the Select from Entity option, we'll choose Clients, since that's where we want to connect. Then, under Select from Fields, we'll select first name and last name to easily identify the client later on. Once done, click Add Field, and don't forget to save and exit. Now, we'll repeat the exact same process on the Clients page, creating a relation field back to Leads. So the connection works both ways. Back in the Clients page, we'll go to Settings, then Fields, and locate our first field group, Client Details. Let's edit this group by adding a new instance relation field, just like we did before. This time, we'll name it Relation to Lead, and under Select from Entity, we'll choose Leads. Then, for the Select from Fields option, we'll again select first name and last name, so we can clearly see which lead is connected. Once that's set, click Add Field, then save and exit. Now that our two pages are connected through relation fields, we're ready to set up the workflow that will handle the conversion. Back on our Leads page, here's the scenario we're building. When a lead's status changes to New Client, the lead will be automatically converted into a client, and a new record with their details will be created under the client's entity. This helps us avoid manual data entry, keeps both entities connected, and ensures a seamless transition from lead to client, all through automation. Let's go back to our workflows and create a new automation. We'll click Add New Rule and set the trigger type to Instance or Fields. Let's name this rule Lead to Client to reflect what we're building. For the trigger settings, we'll choose On-Field Update, set the execution to After the Update, and select Status as the field we want to monitor. Now let's set up our conditions. We want the status field to include New Client, so that the workflow only triggers when a lead is officially marked as a client. Once set, we'll click Next Step to move to the action setup. Since we're converting a lead into a client, we're going to select Convert Instance as our action. And here's where the magic happens. Under Select Target Entity, Origami asks where we want to send the converted lead. Since we've already created our client's entity, we'll select Clients as the destination. Now we've reached the final part, mapping the fields between leads and clients. First, under Update Instance Fields, we'll define how the two entities stay connected after the conversion. In the first dropdown, we'll select Relation to Client, so the original lead will now show a direct link to the client record we just created. In the second dropdown, we'll choose Related to Lead Source, which creates a backlink from the new client record to the original lead, keeping the relationship two-way. Below that, we have the Field Mapping section. This is where we decide which information from the lead gets transferred over to the client. Under Client Details, we'll map the following: first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, phone number to phone number. This ensures that all the essential contact information is automatically carried over, saving us from manual data entry and ensuring consistency between both entities. That's it! Let's click Create New Rule to activate the workflow, and now let's see it in action. Back on our Leads page, you'll notice the new field we added, Relation to Client, is now visible inside the Lead Details group. Now let's go ahead and change the lead's status to New Client. And voila! The Relation to Client field has been automatically updated with a link to the new client record. When we click on the arrow here, we're taken straight to the client's entity, where we can view all the converted client information. And if we open the client's entity, we can now see a full list of leads that have been seamlessly converted, all with a single status update. With Origami, even the most important transitions, like turning a lead into a client, happen automatically and flawlessly. It's not just about saving time, it's about building a smarter and more connected business. That's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions by contacting us directly through the link of our website here or by email at hey@origami.ms, and we will be glad to get back to you the soonest. Next up is to explore how to create an instance.
Yeah.